What's up guys, Matt Thompson from 3D Off-Road. We're out here at Ram Off-Road Park showing off one of our newest builds. We've got a 2024 Gladiator right here that we just finished a complete TeraFlex system, completed with TeraFlex wheels, motor-built front and rear bumpers, and inner liners. I can't even begin to tell you how this bolt-on coilover kit rides and drives down the road. Unfortunately, we were gonna put a TeraFlex front sway bar on it, and it wouldn't fit because of the front bumper that he chose. And honestly, I can't tell you how good this thing drives without a front sway bar. It drives super flat on the road, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it out here wheeling. So some of the other things that we've done to this is we got some TeraFlex Dana 60 high pinion axles for this. And you know, the customers always wanted a 1-ton setup, and we just matched all of this stuff together to see how well this thing's gonna perform and see how the durability is for this for him. You know, not to mention that we always run Warren winches. You know, these high clearance motor built bumpers that are on this thing are just absolutely going to make this Gladiator a beast. All right, so, you know, one of the other things we've done to this is we've done all high clearance bumpers front and rear. This rear one tucks up super high. And if you notice how this long piece right here is all integrated, flat bellied, and super strong to protect this bedside. So really pumped that he's going to be able to protect his bed and be able to do anything he wants.